thank you from the bottom of my heart.
You're welcome. When do you head back home?
Tomorrow morning.
Okay.
I can't wait to get my own bed.
February 24th, 2021. I'm here with our post-op cervical Deuk laser disc repair. Show off your incision. She had her Deuk laser disc repair done for 3 bad discs, 3 degenerated discs in her neck, C45, C560, C7. We did her surgery less than 24 hours ago. She went home right afterwards and actually went to the hotel because she's from South Carolina. And she's back here today for a checkup. Her incision looks perfect. She's got the little steri strips on. How do you feel?
I feel fabulous. I haven't felt this good in years.
How many years?
Over 30.
Over 30 years. So
I had it diagnosed when I was 38.
So you had that horrible headaches and neck pain for
I've
that long?
had headaches and neck pain for most of my life.
Wow.
So
And how does it feel to...
I have zero pain this morning.
Zero pain.
Zero pain.
And what pain, powerful narcotic medications are you on?
The ones you gave me, and I don't know the name.
No, there's not. We don't have you on any
Oh,
narcotic.
whatever they I don't know what you gave me.
It's tongue-in-cheek. Basically, people who have traditional spine surgery are taking, like, you know, Dilaudid or morphine or Percocets for days after the surgery, even weeks.
Yeah.
And you're not taking any of that.
Nope.
You're on basically...
Because they make you so wonky, and I was just exclaiming yesterday because the medication you gave me just, I feel great on it.
Yeah.
No problem.
The medicine we gave you is not taking your pain away. That's what I'm saying. The surgery took your pain away.
Well, yeah, I get that. I wouldn't be feeling so good, I don't think.
And the fact that it's so minimally invasive means you don't need to take narcotic painkillers like you would if you had open surgery. That's one of the advantages of the surgery.
To me, this is a miracle, an absolute miracle that I feel this great.
Yeah. You told me before surgery your hand was bothering you with numbness.
A little bit, just my fingertips and then my toes.
And so now, how's your arm?
Perfect. Everything is great this morning. Amazing. I have no pain, no problems this morning.
All right, good. Any questions for me?
I'll just thank you from the bottom of my heart.
You're welcome. When do you head back home?
Tomorrow morning.
Okay.
I can't wait to get my own bed.
You're going to enjoy Brevard County for one more day?
Yep. We're going to go downtown and walk around.
All right, excellent. Yep. Very good. Another success story. Neck pain cured, headaches cured. Awesome.
I'm thrilled. Absolutely.